Hey guys, this is Venus Luck Trap, and this is going to be my assembly video of the American 1100. So I'm going to start with the Bible because I find that easy. We're going to do kind of like a reverse-ish method. So I'm going to go from the back, and I'm going to do the back two, and then I'm going to do the front three. So we got to put springs in first, but get down in there. Okay. Alright, our two springs for this side are going to be in. And let's get those stacks in. So we got this spool going into slot number 4. And this is a core that can be 6-pin, but this one is a 5-pin. You've got number 5, which is a stack of serrations. Whoops. I'll figure it out. Struggling to pick that up right now. Go at it from a different angle. There we go. Okay, so our stack of serrations is going into slot number 5, and now I'm going to start from the front. We're going to go with numero 3, and that's just a standard spring. I use the same springs for everything, and then I'm just going to put all the springs in. Alright, all of the springs are in, so I'm just going to go through and put in all of the spools. Spool number 1 in slot 3. Push that down. Go forward. Alright. As you can tell, I have really shaky hands, so I struggle with picking up pins. Alright. Last Bible pin. Oh, driver pin. But it goes in the Bible, so, you know. Alright, we've got all of them in. I'm gonna orient it this way. Alright. And now I'm going to start off with the key pins. So we got a short one going in. We got number 2. Can you get back here? Oh no. He does not want to play nice. Got number 2 are identical. And yeah, I checked. Identical serrations. Serrated pins. Why can't I talk today? Okay, we got one of those in. Now the other pin. I keep dropping things. And then we've got our final pin in slot 5. Alright. And lining it up. Just gonna push this on out. Alright. Now we're locking it and we're good. Now I just gotta put the circlip on. That is flush. And a little bit of give. core works just fine. Okay, let's drop this back in. Drop the faceplate in. And now I'm going to drop the retaining screw in. Tighten it all up. Still pretty loose. Works fine. Make sure it works in the lock before. Okay, and now load up final test, whether I did this correctly or not. And we're in. Alrighty. So that was my American Lock 1100 assembly. So this is probably going to go alongside with my pick and gut, and this should be out around, what do you think? I don't know when, but it'll be out soon. This is Venus Lock Trap signing off.